So guys, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am currently standing at my front window, staring, well, giving you some footage of the pigeons that have made a nest in my tree.
And the system, which means they feel they're not able to challenge it. This is Eastgate Car Park.
How cute is that?
They're trying to actually say that I didn't pay for parking.
Now I believe the male is on the right and the female is lying down, but that's just my opinion.
Rachel is being fined £100 after parking in
Look at that.
car park in Laos.
I opened my window this morning to these pair at it.
It's just really not fair. It feels like an absolute con. An absolute
Stunning.
con. Taking this car